A big controversy has erupted after religious speaker Swami Anirudhacharya made shocking remarks about unmarried women during a religious event in Vrindavan. In a viral video, he said that girls who marry at the age of 25 have already been in relationships with multiple men and are no longer suitable to become someone's daughter in law. He claimed that by 25, a woman's youth is likely to have slipped away and used examples from murder cases to support his argument. These remarks quickly went viral on social media and led to major protests, especially in Mathura. Women lawyers protested at the collectorate, demanding strict legal action. The Bar Association even decided to file a formal case against him. Many called his statements anti-constitutional and disrespectful towards women. But after all the backlash, Anirudhacharya released an apology video. He said his words were edited and taken out of context. According to him, he used the word some, not all, but that part was removed from the viral clip. He also said that we live in an age of artificial intelligence and AI could have been used to twist his speech. He added that if his incomplete statement hurt anyone, he is sorry for that. But at the same time, he repeated that both men and women should maintain character. The incident has sparked a fresh debate on gender, culture, and the responsibility of religious leaders. Many feel that someone in such a respected position should speak more mindfully, especially in a country like India, where millions look up to them for guidance. In the end, while an apology has come, the damage seems to be done. People are now asking an important question. Should spiritual leaders be allowed to comment on someone's character publicly, or should they first practice what they preach?
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.